So hello there, good morning. I hope you all are doing well and welcome back again to PIXIPACE channel. In today's video we are gonna learn about the double exposure. So let's learn what is double exposure first. Double exposure means it's a technique. With the use of this technique we can combine more than one images into a single image. With the use of this technique we are gonna combine these two images into a single image. So this is the meaning of double exposure. So at the end of 19th century it looked like a magic, cause at that time they didn't have a high-tech machines, cameras, so that's why they had to use real images, real scenarios to make the double exposure. So this is what we are gonna learn in Photoshop today. Today we are gonna make a one photo with the use of two images. So let's learn about the double exposure, but before watching this complete tutorial you should subscribe PIXIPACE channel, and this is the only thing which I am asking again and again from your side. Please share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel so that I can create more amazing videos for you. Now let's enjoy the video. So in this video this is the main object images, or this is my image to make this double exposure effect. And this is a camera raw filter. In camera raw filter I'm making just basic color corrections. Now I'm using the neural filter so that I can make my skin more smoother than the original image. I'm gonna cut the background of this image with the simply object selection tool. Then there is a second image which I am combining with the main object or with my picture. So for that, first important thing is the size of those, or the position or scale I can say. And right now everything is set up. Now make sure your main subject beneath the second layer so that you can expose, so that you can make the double exposure effect on that. Then there is a most important thing, that is masking. Masking is the most important thing in this double exposure effect. If you know everything about the masking then it is really great for you. If you don't know about the masking then let me know down below in a comment section. I'll make a tutorial about the masking for you. With the use of masking you can combine two images. First, with 100% opacity you can remove the background, then 50%, 80%, 30%, whatever you want to use as per your scenario of the picture. Then I'm using black and white color adjustment layer so that I can make my face black and white and other things like clothes and cap colorful, like in a blue shade. Then again there is a most important thing, that is masking. With the help of masking you can remove or add the background. your font wisely. If you don't know about the typography, then you can let me know. So I just write the piece. Now I'll do a lot of practical with the font so that I can make it greater. 50% of the design is about your typography. You are using the right font, the right kerning, and other things about the font are the important things to make any poster look amazing. So that's why don't hesitate to do a lot of practical with the typography. This is what I'm doing here. Once my typography is looking great, then I'll move further so that I can check every scenario of that picture. So that's why I write the heading and subheading, and there is some little bit effect because the right side is completely black and white, so I'm not gonna make much colorful effects on that side. So that's why our main colors are only black and white on the right side. On the left side there are colorful effects like the nature, but in right side on the on typography, on our main written text, that is piece, on that I'm gonna make some little bit green effect. Even though this is negligible, but this is still looking great on that side. I don't want to harsh our main object with the colors. Now the next thing is color correction. As you can check, our first layer is not accurate with the main object color or with the main subject color, so that's why we need to do little bit corrections on that. For that I'm going to use curves. With the use of curves, I'm just increasing the blue side of that image to make it perfect, to mix all the colors. And the next filter is camera raw filter. With the use of camera raw filter we can mix all the colors, but for that everything is already managed, so that's why I'm just going to use few things like vibrant and exposure, contrast, these little bit things. So this is about this double exposure effect. This is how you can combine two images into a one single image. So you can do that too. The major thing is masking in that. Masking, brush tool. If you know masking, you just need to paint over the areas which you want to hide or which you want to show to the users. You need to play with the properties of the brush tool. First you need to manage 100% 100% opacity, then 80%, then 50%, then 30%, then 10%. So these kind of things you need to use in this double exposure effect. So with only these few things you can create amazing effects. And if you don't know anything in that, then let me know. Like the major thing is masking. If you know masking, if you know everything about the masking, that's great, because if you are just using eraser tool, then it would create hurdles for you in the future. So rather than using the eraser, just use brush tool with masking. So if you know these few things, then you can create amazing double exposure effects, amazing double exposure photos, images, and color adjustment is definitely most important thing, because if you are combining two images or more than two images, then the color should be accurate. So these are the major things which you need to take care about this double exposure effect. I hope you learn everything and you watch complete tutorial about the double exposure effect. If you still have any kind of question in your mind, then don't hesitate to ask in my comment section. I'll always free for you. So ask if you have any kind of question regarding the double exposure effect, and share and subscribe PIXIPACE channel with your family and friends. I need your support. At the end of this video, I'd like to say that take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Till then.